Okay, dear students, today in this class we are going to learn about data handling. This is class 7. This is of class 7 standard. Now let us discuss about mode. In earlier class already we have discussed this one. Okay, just recall what is meant by mode. Okay, see, as we have said that a mean is not only the measuring of central tendency, right? So, or the only form of the representative value. Okay, this as we said, mean is not the only central tendency, only measure of central tendency. Okay, or the only form of represented value. The only form of representative value. Okay, next median. Okay, see here also what is the meaning of a median here? Let us see, for example, they will give the data, right? See, in a given data, see, if they have given data, so we have to arrange in a first ascending or descending order, right? Arranged in ascending or descending order. Okay, so in this, the median gives us middle observation. The median gives us middle observation. Okay, middle observation. Okay, now let us discuss about exercise 3.2. Just we have discussed about mode. Mean is not the only measure of central tendency or the only form of representative value, which is nothing but see, mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times, right? Mode is the observation. Just you have to keep in mind, mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. That is mode, right? Okay, dear students, now let us discuss about exercise 3.2. Here we have first mean the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. They have given here, right? Scores they have given in mathematics out of 25, 15 students is as follows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are there, right? Okay, let us discuss about solution. We need to find out here, find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? Okay, let's see now. Okay, look at here, mode. Again, first we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. After that, we need to find out mode which is nothing but it is the observation occurred the highest number of times. Okay, median, middlemost value or middle observation we can call. Median is middle observation. Let us see. Okay, here we have first main solution. Arranging the given data in ascending order. Okay, 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20. Okay, total how many times? 20, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, 20, 20, 23, 24 and 25, 25, right? Okay, now it is very easy. Okay, I will write here, mode is the, we need to find out mode is the observation. Mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. Okay, therefore Mode is, which is the mode in this? Highest number of times, 1 2 3 4 times 20 are there, so mode is 20. Mode is 20. Okay, now median is the, what is the median? Median is the middle observation. Median is the, because we need to find mode and median both. Median is the middle observation. Middle observation. So which is the median in this? See, median, see, total 15 are there, so middle, which one it will come? Total 15 are there means this side 7 and that side 7 and middle 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So after 7, so here I will get 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there, right? 7 7 14 plus middle 1 is 15, right? Therefore middle observation is 20. Therefore median is 20. Median is 20. And also they asked a question here, are they same? Yes, mode and median. Answer, therefore yes, mode and median are same. Are same. Okay, now let us discuss about second mean. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. 11 players they have given, right? They have scored in a cricket match. Find the, we need to find mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? Okay, here we have question. Now let us see solution. Okay, before that first we have to arranging in ascending or descending order. After that we need to find out mean, mode and median, and are the three are same or not. Let us see. Okay, solution we have second question. Arranging the given data, arranging the given data in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay, 6 8 10 10 15 15 15. How many are there? 3 times. Okay, 15 15 15 50 80. Okay, 100 120. 100 120. Okay, now let us say mean. We know formula. First one, mean, we need to find. Mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations, right? Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Okay, a sum of all observations means we need to add 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 divided by total. How many are there? 15. So how many are there here? 11 are there. Na? Total how many players? 11 players. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 divided by 11. Okay, after adding all those we get here 429 divided by 11. So we get answer is 11 1 ja 11 and 11 3 ja 33, remaining 9 here. Okay, 99. 11 9 ja 99. Therefore answer is 39. Okay, median is 39. Mean, sorry, not median. Mean is 39. Okay, now mode means already we know mode is the observations which occurs the highest number of times. Okay, mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. Okay, mode is mode here 15 is repeated how many times? 3 times, right? So mode is 15. Mode is 15, right? Okay, and median means what? Middle observation. Median is the middle observation. So median is also total 11 are there, so there that side 5 and this side 5, middle see 1 2 3 4 5 and middle is 15, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Here also 1 1 2 3 4 5, middle observation is 15. So median also 15, right? See, are the three same they have asked, but here solution is no. The mean and median, the mean and median are same. Mean and median are same, but not with mean. Not with mean. So you can write like this also. Answer is no. The mean, median and mean are not the same also you can write. Okay, here only two are same are there, but not with the mean. Okay. Okay, now let us discuss about the third mean. The weights in kg of 15 students of a class are, they have given here weights in kg. We need to find out here mode, median of this data, and second question they have asked here, is there more than one mode? See, here only look out here, 38 1 2 3 times are there, and 43 also 1 2 3 are there. Therefore how many modes are there? See, is there more than one mode? Yes. How many modes are there? Two modes are there, 38 and 43. Okay. Okay, question number 3. Solution we have, arranging the given data in ascending order. Okay, arranging in ascending order. Arranging in ascending order, 32 35 36 37 38 38 38 40 42 43 43 43 45 47 and 50. Okay, total how many weights they have given here? 15 students. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, right? 15 students weight. Okay, first question we have, mode is the observation. Okay, you know already mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times, so direct I will write solution here. Mode is, okay, mode is 38 and 43, because 38 is repeated 3 times and 43 also repeated how many times? 3 times, right? Okay, second one we need to find out here middle. Okay, in this only median. Median means a middle observation, right? So total how many are there here? 15. Therefore this side 7, that side 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Therefore here median is 40. Median is 40. Second one question what they asked here, are there more than one mode? Yes, answer is yes, there are two modes. There are two modes. Okay, which one that is? 38 and 43. 38 and 43. Okay, this is right answer. Okay, now let us discuss about fourth main. Find the mode median of the data they are given here. 13 16 12 14 19 12 14 13 14, right? First we have to arrange in ascending order. Here we have fourth question solution, arranging in ascending order. Okay, 12 13 13 14 14 14, because 14 repeated how many times? 3 times, right? 16 and 19. Okay, and first one, that is a mode. Which is a mode here? 14 is a mode because 14 is repeated how many times? 3 times, right? Occurred the highest number of times, that is mode is 14. And median, middle observation. Okay, here total how many are there here? They have given here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 they have given. This side 4 and that side for middle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and middle is 14, right? Median also 14 here, right? Middlemost observation. This is the right answer. Okay, now let us discuss about fifth main. Tell whether the statement is true or false. Okay, first question we have, the mode is always one of the numbers in a data. See, for example, what is the meaning of mode here? Okay, see, maximum number of times, right? Observations occurred the highest number of times. So the mode is always one of the number in data. Therefore, this answer is true. This is true. Okay. And second one, the mean is one of the numbers in data. See, what is the meaning of mean here? Sum of all observations divided by number of observations, right? So it is not one of the numbers in data. So this is false. Okay. And third question, the median is always one of the numbers in data. What is the meaning of median here? Middle observation, right? Median is the middle observation. So it is always one of the numbers in data. Therefore, this answer is true. Okay. And even fourth question, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 as mean 9 they have asked. See, 9 is repeated 2 times, therefore this answer is mode, that is not mean. Okay, see, again if we add all those values, all those observations divided by total, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. If we, okay, 55 we will get total. 55 divided by 8, it is impossible, we will get 9 here. So this answer 9 is wrong. Therefore, this is also false. Okay. I will write solutions now. Fifth main. Okay. Fifth question we have. First one is true. And second one is false. Third one is true. And fourth one is false. Right? Dear students, now let us discuss about probability. See, it is a branch of mathematics concerning numerical descriptions of how likely an event, right? How likely an event is to occur, or how likely is that a proposition is true. Okay, see here, the probability of an event is a number between 0 and 1. Here, 0 indicates impossibility of the event and 1 indicates certainty or sure or possible. Okay, for example, I will give you in a chance and probability. For example, in a chance and probability. See, in a chance and probability, the words often come up in our daily life, right? See, we often to say, there is no chance of fear of it raining today, is it? And also say things like, it is quite probable that India will win the World Cup, right? 50-50 chances. So, let us try and understand these terms a bit more. See, consider some statements I will give. For example, the sun coming up from the west. It is possible or impossible? Impossible event, right? Because the sun will rise up in the east, right? From the east. Second one, see, one second example I will give. An ant growing to 3 meter height. See, first one, that is sun, right? See, first one, that is sun coming up from the west. This is impossible event, right? This is impossible event. Okay, it's nothing but that is 0, right? So, and second example I will give, that is an ant growing, an ant growing 3 meter height, right? This is also impossible event, that is 0, right? Impossible, this is also impossible event. See, one example, one more I will give you. If you take a circle with a larger area, then its radius will be also be larger. Okay, okay. Let us see now likely event, that is right. See here, we know that when a coin is thrown, right? See, if when a coin is thrown, it has two possible outcomes. What are those? That is head or tail, right? Head or tail. See, and for a die, okay, and for a die, we have how many possible outcomes here? Six possible outcomes. Six possible outcomes. Okay, because in a die 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? Okay, see, we also, okay, we also know from the experience for a coin, head or tail is equally likely to be obtained. 50-50 chances, head or tail. Okay, if we throw a coin, we say that probability of getting head or tail is equal and is for each. Okay, do you understand? Therefore, it is a branch of mathematics concerning numerical descriptions of how likely an event is to occur. Okay, or how likely is that a proposition is true. Okay, and the probability of an event is a number between 0 and 1. 0 indicates an impossibility of the event, and 1 indicates the sure event, possible event, uh, or certainty, right? Okay. Okay, dear students, now let us discuss about exercise 3.4. Here we have first main. Tell whether the following is certain to happen. Certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Okay, let us see now. See, first question we have, you are older today than yesterday. For example, you are older today, right, than yesterday, comparing one more day, right? One more day. So it is certain to happen. That is the right answer, right? It is certain to happen. Okay, first one, it is certain to, it is certain to happen. See, second question, what will be there here? A tossed coin will land heads up. See, it can happen, but not sure, but not certain, right? Second one solution. See, it can happen, but not certain. But not certain. Okay, it can happen that maybe see, heads up they have got, okay, head or tail, so but not certain, but not sure. Okay, and third one, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. See, possible outcomes of a die is 6. It is impossible event, right? So third one answer is, it is impossible event. It is impossible. Okay, that is 0, right? Okay, fourth question we have, the next traffic light seen will be green. Yes sir, the next traffic light seen will be green. It can happen but not certain, but not sure, but not possible, right? Okay, it can happen, it can happen, but not certain, right? Okay, fifth one we have, tomorrow will be a cloudy today. Yes, it can be happen, but not certain. This answer also. Okay, it can happen. Fifth one, it can happen, but not certain, Okay, this is the first main solutions. Okay, now let us discuss about the second main. There are 6 marbles in a box with the numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. Okay, here we have first question, what is the probability of drawing a marble with the number 2? Okay, see, total how many marbles? 6 marbles. If drawing a marble with number 2 by 6. Okay. And second question, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? That is 5 by 6. Out of 6, total how many numbers are there marbles? 5. Okay. Let us see now. Solution. Total marbles. See here. Second question. Solution. See, total marbles from 1 to 6 marked in a 1 to 6 marked in a box. How many are 6 are there, right? So first question, what we have to do? The probability, first one. Okay, therefore for this answer, probability, P means probability of drawing one marble. See, drawing one marble, drawing one marble, right? Okay, drawing one marble, that is 1 by 6 is the right answer. Okay, because see the question here, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2 they have asked. See here I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, see here 2 is having only one number, right? Okay, now see, even 5 is also second question. 5 is also having how many numbers? Only one number, right? Therefore this is also 1 by 6 is right answer. So second one question also, probability of drawing, this is also one marble only. This is also one marble. Okay, this is also one marble. See here, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Total 5 number is, total how many are there? Only one is there. So this is also, solution is 1 by 6 is right answer, right? 1 by 6. This is second question solution. Okay, now let us discuss about third question. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? Okay, very simple. Here, for example, a coin is flipped to decide. See, coin has how many possible events here? 2 possible outcomes, right? 2 possible outcomes. That is maybe head or tail. See, probability of getting head or tail is equal. So, total out of how many are there? 2 possible outcomes. Maybe head or tail, that is 1 only. See, if head comes, that is 1, and tail comes, that is 1. Therefore, 1 by 2 is right answer, right? Okay, let us see solution now. A coin has, question number 3, solution. A coin has 2 possible. A coin has 2 possible outcomes. Okay, 2 possible outcomes, head or tail. Okay, probability of getting head or tail is equal. Tail is equal. Therefore, probability of starting game. Okay, maybe head or tail. That is 1 by 2 is right answer, right? Okay, head or tail. This is the right answer.